I'm here to give the quails their morning food. Look, they kicked the cover off this thing overnight. How barbaric. But this is what I came to show y'all. Look at this. This egg does not have a shell around it. Oh my goodness. So I have 9 hens. So I've been getting maybe 7 or 8 eggs a day. So I think maybe the ninth one is starting to lay. That's interesting. Alright, I've got a plate and the egg without a shell. Let me show you again. Okay, so let's see what it looks like on the inside. Ooh, it's a full egg. It is a fully developed egg, just no shell. Well, there you have it.